In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a BOTM wallet. First, sign in and open the BOTM app. You will see the familiar interface that you have come to know. If you have not downloaded the app yet, make sure to do so from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. This ensures that your account is secure and only accessible by you. After entering your information, tap the Sign In button. This action takes you to the main screen of the app, where you can access various features. Now tap on Wallet. This is usually found in the bottom navigation menu. When you do this, the Wallet section will open, displaying options for managing your funds. This is a crucial step because the wallet is where you will handle all your transactions. It's your hub for sending, receiving, and managing your money. You'll notice options like balance, transaction history, and more. This is essential for keeping track of your financial activities. Next, create a 6-digit payment password if needed. This step may be required for security purposes. You will see a prompt asking you to set up this password. Choose a unique combination that you can easily remember but is hard for others to guess. This password will be used for authorizing transactions and enhancing your account's security. Once you enter the password, make sure to confirm it by typing it again. This ensures that you have entered it correctly. After that, verify your identity. This adds another layer of security to your account. Begin by uploading your Emirates ID or EID. You will see an option to upload a photo of your ID. Ensure that the image is clear and that all the details are visible. This step is important because it verifies that you are the rightful owner of the account. After uploading your EID, the app will guide you to the next step. Now complete the face verification. You will be prompted to position your face within a designated frame on the screen. This process usually involves moving your head slightly to capture your facial features accurately. Make sure you are in a well-lit area to ensure the camera can clearly see your face. This verification is crucial as it prevents unauthorized access to your account. Once completed, the app will analyze your face against the ID you uploaded. Next, wait for the verification to finish. This may take a few moments, so be patient. You will see a loading indicator, which signifies that the app is processing your information. This step is vital because it confirms your identity and secures your account. Once the verification is successful, you will receive a notification or confirmation on your screen. This lets you know that you have passed the verification process. Finally, start using your BOTM wallet to send, receive, and manage money. You can now navigate back to the wallet section of the app. Here, you will see options for sending money to friends, receiving funds, and checking your balance. This part is the most rewarding as it allows you to utilize the features of your new wallet. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances directly from your mobile device. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always refer back to the support section of the app. With all steps completed, you are fully set up to enjoy your BOTM wallet. Thank you for watching and happy transactions.